To the principal and all the other dignitaries, thank you for having me. I'm not used to speaking in school, so this is going to be a bit awkward for me because I moved away from the school setup long ago for cricket, and that's what I'm going to talk about. I understand the environment of a school. I've been through the same process and stage that all you kids are a part of right now, and I can just share from my own experience how my focus and priority changed very early on in my life. What I want to say is school is a place where you come to learn, you come to grow, you become better people, you have great teachers, you have a great leader who is guiding all of you, creating a culture and environment in the school that gives you the best chance to become the best person, the most able student, whether it's academics, whether it's sport, any field that you choose. This is the best environment for all of you. So have respect and regard for that environment firstly, for your teachers, for the people who are teaching you. They are giving you a part of their lives. It's very important to give them that respect and the focus and attention that's required. Second thing I would say is, I chose sport very early on in my life, but that came from a very honest place. I was very sure that I wanted to go ahead and pursue cricket, and I had to be honest with myself and my family and also my teachers to convey to them that this is the path I want to take. So be convinced about what you want to do and follow that dream with absolute commitment, and only you will know whether you are being 100% honest or not. And that's the only thing that matters. That will make the difference for all of you in your future. So I wish you all the very best. I'm very proud and happy that our academy has been inaugurated today. This is part of my life, a massive part of my life. I started practicing with sir when I was 8 years old, and I still continue to come to the academy whenever I get time. And it's a big part of my childhood, and I hope all the kids that come to learn cricket here can value it, can learn something from the academy, and I hope it does wonders to the school, the cricket setup here as well. So I wish everyone all the very best. Thank you for having me. I don't have much more to say. I wish you guys all the best and God bless you.
देखिए, मैं बताऊं, जो जितनी अकेडमीज खुले शहर में कम है, जितना टैलेंट इस शहर में क्रिकेट के लिए प्रोसेस हो कम है. आज जो अकेडमी खुली है, एक स्टॉलवर्ड अकेडमी है, पुरानी अकेडमी जहां पे विराट कोहली 8 साल की उम्र से ट्रेन करते थे. एंड ये एक एग्जाम्पल है कि कैसे एक एग्जिस्टिंग एक्सेप्शनल वेस्ट दिल्ली क्रिकेट अकेडमी और एक लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन डीपीएस आर के पुरम कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं. और जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अनयूज था उसको एक यूटिलिटी में और एक फ्यूचर टैलेंट जनरेशन की ओर डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट विराट कोहली केम एंड सेड टू द स्टूडेंट्स टुडे वाज आल्सो एक्सेप्शनल कि जी अर्ली ऑन इन लाइफ आई हैड आइडेंटिफाइड माय टैलेंट एंड आई कमिटेड टू दैट. तो जी एजुकेशन वगैरह देन बिकेम अ सेकेंडरी सीड. इट वाज ओनली क्रिकेट फॉर हिम एंड वी सी वेयर ही इज टुडे, लीडिंग नॉट जस्ट द कंट्री बट द वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट अहेड.
सर, एक और आपकी अकेडमी है और ये बच्चों को और आप मैनेज कर रहे होंगे यहाँ पे, तो क्या कुछ कहेंगे अपने अकेडमी के बारे में?
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी और मैं थैंकफुल हूँ डीपीएस आर के पुरम का कि उन्होंने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है, अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिया है हमें कि यहाँ पर हम एक अच्छी इस्टेब्लिश करें एकेडमी. एंड आई एम वेरी होपफुल कि जैसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है और जो यहाँ का एम्बियंस है और जिस तरह की मेहनत हमारी एकेडमी में होती है वेस्ट दिल्ली क्रिकेट एकेडमी में, तो मुझे पूरी आशा है कि हम यहाँ से भी विराट जैसे और खिलाड़ी देश के लिए दे सकेंगे.